Can you save the cute puppy? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. Tap the screen twice and let us know how far you got. Smash the plus button and comment rescue letter by letter. Need air? If you share this with 2 friends, the oxygen tank unlocks and you get 1 breath.
If you're still holding, you're doing better than 70% of people. Save this video to test yourself again.
If you're still holding, you belong here. Tap the plus button to join the team.
The last seconds, come on!
Do you have enough breath left to survive the way up?